Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate some sequence numbers, like sequential numbers. Is that how you say it? It's actually pretty simple. You're just going to open up Google Sheets, and then you're going to type in this formula. So you're going to type in the equal sign, and you're going to type in the word sequence. And then you're going to basically enter that, or like type in a parentheses, and you're going to type in the number you want. For instance, you have like, let's say 100 students, and you don't want to type in like 1, 2, 3, or like drag it to like 100 because that's going to take forever. So just type in 100, press enter, and it's going to type up the numbers for you. I know they have this over to the left, but for instance, if you had it on like the 7th row, you can still, oops, sorry, I forgot to type in the formula. You can still type that in, and it's going to start the one from the 7th row, no matter where, I guess. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!